How to run ads on Meta Business Suite. Start by opening the Meta Business Suite and go to the Ad section. Click Create Ad in the top right corner. Now choose your ad goal. For example, get more leads. If you're collecting leads, you'll need a form. Click Create Form if you have not made one yet. You can search for form using the search icon and click Instant Forms under Tools to create it. After that, choose your media by clicking Select Media and uploading your image or video. Set your button label like Learn More or Apply Now. Then enter a headline and short description. Feel free to add a few emojis to grab attention. Next, choose if you want to use Advantage plus Creative and select whether it falls under a special ad category. Set your audience. You can go with Advantage audience or create a custom one. Choose your schedule and duration, then set your daily budget and currency. You'll also need to add a payment method, and once done, review all previous and click schedule to launch your ad. And that's how you run ads on Meta Business Suite.